shot you wanted in focus. Digital cameras are here to stay. I am a film shooter. I own tons of film cameras. But you guys, I found the happy medium finally between film shooters and digital shooters. And right in the middle is the CCD film-like digital camera, ranging from 25 bucks to like 125, 150 bucks. We're going to talk about Olympus, Nikon, Canon, Sony's, Fujifilms, Konicas, Pentax, and more. Just take a look right now at these 16 photographs that I took. On the bottom is the camera that I used. Now, in the description, I'll put a full list of the cameras and the lenses that I used for each one. For processing a roll of 36 exposure film,